Hello everyone, this is Val, and this is my day one of my binary options trading strategy. This is actually going to be the same trend martingale strategy that I've been using for roulette, but it's going to be applying to the binary options financials market. So the thing is, there are for binary options, it's basically a fixed bet that you place. Uh, so, for example, you place a $1 bet, and if you win, if you bet in the right direction and you win 87%. And if you lose 100%. So the broker always has that 13% commission. So you cannot actually double up all the way because of that percentage that you have. So, and we have people who are familiar, there are puts and calls. The call is if you bet on something and it goes up, you win money. And for a put, you actually, when it goes down, you win money. So you got to bet in the right direction. So we're going to be using the Euro USD for trading because that is the pair that offers the highest percentage in terms of return, as well as it's liquid and it trends perfectly. And we're going to be using a 30-second interval to place our trades. So the first trade is going to be based on your own judgment. Right now, you do see that the Euro USD is trending up, so we think it's going to go up. So we go ahead and stake our first bet on the call because we wanted to. We are betting that the direction is going to be up, and we will win if it goes up. Okay. So the progression we're going to be using is going to be different, as I mentioned. It's going to be double. It's going to be 1, 2, 4, 9, 19, 41, 89, 192, 415, and 898. All right. I'm going to be doing live trades on a demo platform for about close to 20 minutes every day, and we're going to see whether this strategy works. We're going to kind of do this together. I have actually tested this for 3 weeks. It has been successful, but I want to go ahead and test it with you and see whether that works. So in this case, let's go ahead and get us the first trade started, and then we can talk on how we're going to place the next trade. So first of all, we do see that the trend is going up at the 30-second interval. So we're going to go ahead and place the first bet on a call. And there it is on the left hand side. It shows that my investment is $1. And right now, instead of going up, it's actually going down. So you actually potentially have the risk of losing that $1, but it all could change within a matter of seconds because the pairs do move pretty fast up and down. So we don't know which direction it's going to go. Okay, right now we lost, so we're going to place our next bet, $2 on the put. Because we lost on the call, we want to go ahead and follow the trend and bet in the opposite direction, but double your money. So we're going to bet $2 on the put. So right now we are in the process of making money, but we don't know. As you see right here, our investment is $2, and if we win, we're going to win $3.74. If we lose, we're going to lose $2. Actually, this is actually including. Okay, so in this case, we won. So we stay in the same direction, and we go with a put. And we reset our bet to $1. So I'm going to be doing this video for about 20 minutes every day. So it's about close to 8 o'clock. So I'm going to be doing this for 20 minutes. I'm going to stop at the 20-minute mark, provided that we have gone through the progressions. We don't want to stop when we're at a loss. We want to stop when we are at a gain. So right now, the $1 put option, we're going to be losing money. So we're going to be betting on the opposite side. Call. Now you got to be really fast on your fingers. That's the thing about binary options, because the markets move very fast, very volatile. But Euro USD is pretty much, it trends quite often during the active markets. Never trade during the time when it's not active. Trade during the US session or the London session. Tokyo session might not be that good. So right now we have lost on the call, so we're going to go ahead and bet $4 and put it in the put. So you always stay with the trend of the previous candle or the previous bar. So in this case we are winning, but we don't know. See, it's going up and down, up and down. Right now we are at a winning percentage, but let's see what holds in the next 2 seconds. Okay, that is a win, so we're going to go ahead and place $1 on the put. You notice there's a little lag in which once you place your trade, it takes for 1.5 seconds. By the time the market already might have moved in the opposite direction. So you're going to be really quick on your fingers. Sometimes it stays at the same price. In that case, you still bet in the same direction. Just like, if it were a zero. So in this case, we lost, so we have $2 on a call. So right now, we don't have any pushes, as we call it. If you play blackjack and the dealer draws the same card as you, that's called a push. So in this case, it's going to be a push, but we're going to be losing that 13% because that's the commission that is due to the broker. So right now, we're in a good position to win, and we're going to be placing $1, that's a win, on the call, because we want to stay in the same trend of the win, of the previous win. Okay, looks like this is going to be another win, so we're going to stay with the $1 call as soon as this closes. So as soon as you see that thing closing, we should be ready to click your button to initiate the next trade, because timing is the most important thing over here in binary options. You have to be fast. You cannot be complacent. If it's going to expire in about 2 to 3 seconds, we want to place our fingers so we are ready for the next trade. It'll be good if we can get a robot to do this for us, because it is pretty strenuous. You have to really focus, and alright, so we got 11 seconds, 10 seconds to go. We're still above the $1 line right here. With a pretty good margin, so we place our $1 bet, keep it ready when it's closing. Go ahead and place that call right there. See, right now we have $3.57 in profit, and it's just about 4 minutes, so it's making like $1 an hour, $1 a minute. All right, that's another win for us. So go ahead and place a $1 wager in the same direction. Okay, we are way above this line right here. It's a good margin. Now we are breaking even. Now we're going up a little bit. Now we're going down. So from winning money, we're actually losing money. So right now it looks like we're going to be losing money. So I'm going to go ahead and place $2 on the put, because we lost on the call at $1. Remember, call is if you win if the price goes up from where you placed your bet, and the put is when the price goes down and you win money that goes down. And it's a push. If it stays at the same price, in that case you lose 13%. There is a VIP package in which you can actually make 95%. So right now we're going to be placing the call for $4 because we lost on the $1 and the $2. $1 call, $2 put. So going back to a call again. So always zigzag between positions if you lost based on the trend. And if it's a push, you keep in the same direction. It looks like we are going to be losing again. So right now, going to be placing $9 on a put now. Okay. You notice it was going down. It just stagnated for a while, and we got a good execution right at the horizontal line right there. So it looks like this is going to be a win. So let's get ready and put our $1 bet on the put. Now there's various intervals where you can place your wagers. There's the 30 seconds, there's the 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute, 4 hours, 12 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and up to 1 month. So that's the intervals for the binary options. Okay, this one looks like it's going to be a loss, so we're going to be placing $2 on the call because we lost. Okay, we have in the session for about 8 minutes now. So we're going to have 12 more minutes to go. So it looks like this. Difficult to say which direction it's going to go. Right now it's up. Looks like we won that trade. So we're going to place $1 on the call. We lost on that, so we're going to be doing a put. Okay, so I have 11 more minutes to go. Okay, looks like we're going to be losing again. So we're going to place $4 and wait for the trade to close, and we're going to go for a call. It's going to be a $4 call right now. Right now we are pushing. We are losing now. And it's gone down a little bit. It's gone up a little bit. Now we are losing. We're winning now. Okay, looks like it's going to be a good win. So I'm going to be waiting for that to close and placing $1 bet on the call. So that was good. As soon as we placed the trade, the stock actually went down. So we got a good price on the call because we are at the low level waiting for it to go higher. Right now we are actually losing. Okay, right now we are winning. And let's see how the trade holds for us. Right now it's going to be, looks like it's going to be a good win for us. So as soon as the previous trade closes, we should keep our wager and our finger ready to go either on the call or the put. That's very important. Timing is all in binary options, and the market is really volatile. So you want to make sure that from trade to trade, you are in it at the same time. So right now, looks like it's another win for us. Another call. Pushing, we are making money right now, and look like the trend is going up. You saw that spike up. Now it's going a little sideways, like a zigzag action, but it looks like it's going to be it's way above our price. So it looks like it's going to be a good win for us. Let's wait for it to close, and then let's open up our next trade. Okay, we got another 9 more minutes to go. So we're going to be like doing 20-minute sessions every day. So at least you can gauge what's going on. And it looks like this is slightly above our target. Wait for it. And it's another win for us. Let's go ahead and so far we haven't got any pushes yet. It's either a win or a loss. But the pushes do happen once in a while, and it's just like a zero happening. It's not very often that it happens. It's a rarity. Sometimes in a flat market, for example, in the Tokyo session, some hours it's pretty flat, and you get a lot of those. So I would say recommend you just stay with the US session and the London session. That's when the Euro USD is very active. Okay, looks like it's at a good level. So it's going down right now. And I think it's going to be closing at a loss. No, actually it's a win. It's the volatility. So it went down and came back up right that millisecond. So these kind of things do happen. It could just go up, spike up, 1 millisecond, it could come back down double as hard on the downside in the next millisecond. So that's why you have to wait for the trade to close before you execute your next trade, because you don't know whether the trade is going to be a win or a loss until it closes. As you noticed just now, it was a loss, but it turned out to be a win. So this one is good. Trade. Okay, we've got another 6 more minutes to go. Let's just keep our fingers crossed and see whether we can pull out a nice profit. I think our goal is to make about $15 for that 20 minutes. Okay, that's going to be a loss. We're going to place a $2 put. As I mentioned, the progression is going to be 1, 2, 4, 9, 19, 41, 89, 192, 415, and 898. let's get ready for our next trade because this looks like this is going to be a loss, and we're going to be placing a call now. Alright, as soon as you place a trade, it spiked up. But it could also spike down. I mean, you don't know how the market is going to react. And typically, Fridays are pretty volatile because of all the economic news announcements. For example, there is the NFP, there is the job report, there is economic forecasts. So Friday's pretty volatile. Okay, we got 5 more minutes to go. And we're doing pretty well. So we're going to be going till, okay, that's a loss, so we're going to place $2 put. For $2, you're going to be winning 174. So that 174, out of the 174, $1 is your loss that you covered from your previous bet. So your net win at your second progression is about 74 cents. Looks like this is going to be a win. So let's place our next bet, the $1 put. Okay, we've got 3 more minutes to go. So roughly another 6 trades, provided that we are ahead on the progression. So if we are at the $41 mark and we lost, we still have to keep on going till we make our net win. So right now, it's teetering between loss and a gain, and we lost, so we're going to go with a call now. So $2 call right now. Okay, that's taking a big spike down. Now it's going down. Okay, let's place our $4 bet on the put because this one is going to be a loss. Okay, we've got 2 more minutes to go. Let's hope that this is a win for us. Let's just keep it ready, place a $1 bet, and keep our finger at the put button, and let's execute the trade. Okay, so okay, looks like this is going to be a win for us. So let's keep our finger at the $1 put level. Okay, we got 1 more minute to go. And we have actually achieved or gone beyond our target. We have $15.50 in profit, and we have $1 wager. So if this was a win, it's going to be like almost $17 of profit. But right now, looks like it's going to be a loss. So we're going to be placing $2 on the call. Okay, so We are teetering between a loss and a win. It's going like zigzag. Let's see which direction it ends up in. Looks like this. According to me, it's going to be a loss. So let's keep our finger ready. And actually, it's a win. And it's actually 820. So that is it. Today is day one of the binary options using the Euro USD and using a demo account of $1,000. So we traded for about 20 minutes live trading, and we won about close to $17. So a profit of the day was $16.89. So that's about 1.68 or 69%. So it's slightly more than what we had for roulette in, based on our objective. But obviously we are playing longer, we are actually wagering longer, and it's more intensive. So that's it for today, for day one. And let's see whether we can continue this for the next 29 days. All right. See you guys. Bye.